Hello, it's Varun here. Today we are going to start on the demo installation of the rain theme. I'm going to start with a fresh WordPress installation, and just creating a first WordPress installation. Okay, my WordPress installation is ready. For the plugin point of view, we are going to utilize the rain theme, and with BuddyPress installation first, I'm going to upload the theme file. Okay, once the theme file is uploaded, it will give you an option to install a couple of additional plugins. Install plugin, and by default it will suggest you to include classic wizard to use the sidebar, Elementor, webcom demo installer, and webcom essential. Okay, so theme is installed, and required plugins are also installed. For the BuddyPress installation, I'm going to install the BuddyPress theme plugin first. We can also install WooCommerce. For media plugin, we are using rtMedia plugin. Okay, all these plugins are installed. Now I have to activate them. For BuddyPress, by default, there are a couple of components which are disabled by default. We have to enable them, like group component is disabled. If we are keeping them disabled, it will not import the group elements. Next, the bbPress is activated. rtMedia is also activated now. Dismiss. We can hide these notification. Next is the WooCommerce. Okay, so these are the initial set of the plugins what we need to import the demo data. Okay, we do not have to complete the setup wizard. Okay, so now navigating back to the theme installation, and first option is the BuddyPress and rain BuddyPress installation port, and now you can see that all the required plugins which are asked, required and optional one are also active. Now go to the demo installation. This import process is suggested for the fresh installation only. If you already are running a website on BuddyPress and switching to the rain theme, I will suggest to configure options manually instead of demo installation, because it will wipe your pages and create all the member pages and all the demo pages from the database level. Okay, so I'm going to install the demo here.